In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Outlook emails. This is a handy feature that can help you draw attention to specific people in an email thread, ensuring your message gets noticed by the right individuals. Let's dive into the process step by step, and I'll guide you through it all in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to access Microsoft Outlook. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your emails online. Once you're there, on the top right corner of the page, you'll find the sign in option. Click on this button to bring you one step closer to tagging someone. Now, if you haven't already signed in, this is the perfect time to do so. Enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. Remember to ensure your credentials are correct or saved for a seamless login experience. With your Outlook account now open and ready to go, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and select New Mail. This will open up a fresh email message, which is your canvas for creating and sending tags. It's straightforward from here. Position your cursor in the body of your email where you want to place the tag. Here's the crucial part. To create a tag, you'll need to type the @ symbol. You can do this by pressing Shift and the number 2 key simultaneously on your keyboard. Think of it like calling out someone by tagging them, making sure your message catches their attention among potentially countless other emails. Once you've inserted the @ symbol, Outlook will automatically prompt you with a list of suggestions, typically people you frequently interact with via email. From this list, you can easily select the specific email address of the person you want to notify or tag. This makes the experience not only efficient but also highly intuitive, ensuring you don't waste time sifting through contacts manually. That's it. You've successfully tagged someone in your Outlook email. This feature is incredibly useful and easy to incorporate into your regular email practices. It ensures that your email highlights the intended recipient, almost like tapping them on the shoulder in a crowded room. So there you have it. The steps are simple, and with a little bit of practice, it will become second nature. This tool is a great way to ensure that your key recipients are directly notified and more likely to respond promptly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep exploring more of Outlook's features to enhance your emailing efficiency.